Okay, welcome ulit. O, ano na yan?
So today this is our categories of papayas.
Okay.
Tinanim po namin ito nung 2 months or like maybe
Sino nagtanim?
4.
Eto, sa akin to. Eto
Sip
yung
na
kay
ng
Des.
bahay.
Tinanim ko sa kanya, para sa kanya.
Ay, tinanim mo?
Yung sa akin.
Ikaw nagtanim? So, marami na siyang bunga. Kagaling naman. O, ano pa?
And this one has also bunga and that one. And
O, sige.
and
Fruits.
that one.
Okay, go. Next. Saan po tayo, mga kaibigan?
Okay, here.
Saan?
Go here. The grapes, it's... Patay na yung grapes.
Grapes ba yan? Ang palaya yan eh.
Patay na yung grapes to.
O, dito tayo, Pogs.
This one has many ants.
What?
This one
yung
has
pinakain
many
namin.
ants. This also eats the rabbit and mulberry.
Mulberry?
This is Madre de Cacao and the other one is mulberry. So talilong, mulberry, grass, and the parang beads, and then the Madre de Cacao. Yun po ang mga kinakain ng mga rabbit.
Okay, since hindi tayo nakakapaglinis, tignan mo masyadong madaming kalat.
So,
Dahil
look,
laging
this one,
maulan.
Kinakain po to ng mga tao, kaya pipitasin ko na.
Ano yan?
Ay, oo, kinakain yan.
Ano ba yan?
We'll give this to Lola after.
Ano yan? Okay.
Let's go!
Tawag na tayo dyan, masukal.
Ang palaya doon,
Wala na yung talong. Ubus na.
walang
O,
talong.
dito na lang. Madaming ano dyan, kalat.
So, we go home now.
Oh, come on.
So, we'll show you the mulberry. Let's go!
Where's the mulberry?
It's way
Oh,
over there.
wait lang. Babalik tayo.